Hello and welcome to another meal prep video. Today we're doing a slow cooker beef pasta recipe. Also, stick around to the end if you want to get your hands on a custom meal plan and my free fat loss training video. But this is going to be very simple, very quick to put together. Probably takes about 5-10 minutes of prep work and then that's it. Done. So I've already boiled the pasta. That's obviously just 10 minutes or whatever instructions is on the water, so I just done that and set it to the side. I'll put it in tubs, but the ingredients for this: onion, carrot, garlic, beef stock cube, some thyme, pasta that's already been cooked, that was a new one, some diced beef, chopped tomatoes and salt and black pepper. Easy. All I'm going to do then is cut up the onion and the garlic. Got a few cloves here, just going to grate that up. And also the carrots, and then that is really all the prep work you need. The beef kind of takes care of itself, it's already done. You can just kind of shred it up a bit later. And I'll show you this in a second, because I don't think you need to see me chopping up an onion. So for chopping up and getting the garlic ready, all you need to do, cut off the ends like that, peel off that kind of initial shell, if you can get it off. That is, and that's it, good to go. And then all you do is grate it, and that's it, sorted. Simple as that. Got everything ready here. The cooker is on low, so all I'm going to do is put the beef in first, scrape that in, then give it a good season. Salt, pepper, and this thyme as well. Give that a bit mix about. Then what I've got here is just that beef stock cube, just in a bit of water, just enough to cover it and the veg. That's going to go in, same again, stir about, easy. Next, chopped tomatoes, and it goes. That's on low, I think, and just a bit of that to finish off. I've used too much water there in the jar, it doesn't really matter. And just going to stir that about, add more seasonings as you go, give it a taste a couple hours in. Leave that for 3 to 4 hours on high or 4 to 5 on low, and you'll be good to go. Then just stir it up, serve it with the pasta, and I'll show you that when it's done.